Today, we're taking a look at a private country property sitting on approximately 14 acres in rural Alabama, offering space, privacy, and a true countryside lifestyle. As you arrive, the home is tucked back off the road, surrounded by open land and natural scenery. It's the kind of setting where you immediately feel separation from city noise, with plenty of room between you and the next property. Inside, this is a spacious 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with 2,280 square feet of living space. The layout is open and practical, starting with a large living room that connects easily to the rest of the home. There's also a separate den, giving you an additional living area for relaxing, entertaining, or creating a second family space. The flow between rooms makes the home feel larger and more flexible for everyday living. A dedicated dining room sits off the main area, providing a defined space for meals and gatherings, rather than an open concept overlap. The kitchen connects well with the living spaces, making it functional for family use or hosting guests. Each of the 4 bedrooms offers solid space, with 2 full bathrooms supporting the layout, making it suitable for families, guests, or long-term rural living. Outside, the property continues to stand out. You get both a covered front porch and a covered back porch, giving you multiple outdoor spaces to enjoy the quiet surroundings. The land itself includes a pond, adding natural beauty and potential for recreation or relaxation right on your property. Additional features include a 2-car garage and a storm shelter, adding both convenience and safety. One important note is that there is an easement reserved for the front driveway, which affects access but still maintains usability of the property. Whether you're looking for a full-time rural home, a family property with land, or a private country retreat, this Alabama acreage offers space, structure,